Let's take a look at this CJRB Pyrite folding knife. It comes really nicely packaged in a box and also includes this really nice carrying pouch. Inside the pouch is a soft material. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the blade itself. This blade feels very solid and has a substantial weight as everything is made with stainless steel. It opens very smoothly and locks really well. One thing I really like about this blade is that it has a deep carry clip, so the whole thing can be tucked inside your pocket. The button is also very smooth and you can press it very easily. As soon as you press it, the blade loosens up and you can close it or open it. Opening this blade is extremely fun. I catch myself playing with it like a fidget toy. The handle of the blade is smooth and beveled, and it's put together really well. There's nothing cheap about this blade, and I think it makes a perfect EDC to carry every day. I find myself using this blade for all sorts of different things, from opening boxes, to cutting open bags like charcoal for barbecue, and even cutting zip ties, for example. I sometimes even use it for cutting fruits or pastries, and it's just an all-around good blade to have. I think this blade is definitely worth its price, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found my video informative.